Hey guys, and welcome back to my third episode in my cleaning motivation series. So today I am doing a rainy day living room clean with me. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get right into this rainy day cleaning motivation. The new addition to the living room is this teepee that I picked up for Sully for Christmas. He kind of likes it. I think he just needs to get a bit more used to it. He does like going in and out of it, and I do leave some of his toys in there. But I got it for a really great price from Wilko. So if you are on the lookout for a dog teepee that's affordable, I know some of them can be really expensive, then it's definitely worth a look online. The cushions on this sofa I'm still trying to figure out, because the lounge is now slightly different in our new house. We don't know if we want to get a new sofa. We most probably will get a very similar colour, but I'm thinking maybe a few more lighter cushions. I'm still looking into it. However, we have so much that we want to do to this house. It's just figuring out and prioritising what we want to do and purchase next. Cleaning product wise, I'm trying to switch out all of our cleaning products in the plastic to refillable, environmentally friendly glass bottles. So I did mention these before, but I picked them up from Amazon. They are glass bottles with a BPA free lid. They're really great and super affordable, so I'll have them linked down below. So that is my mission this year, is to try and replace all of our cleaning products with the glass bottles and just refill them instead, so there's less plastic. I am looking into the tablets that you can pop in the water, these cleaning tablets, but I will keep you updated on them. Guys, I wanted to update you on this orchid. I mentioned it last year that friends had bought it for us as a moving in present. Now, I've never looked after or kept orchids before, so I was definitely clueless about how to look after them, but I did a bit of research and look how many buds there is on it. I'm really excited to see this flower again soon. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's cleaning motivation. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PVB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's cleaning video. Take care, guys. Bye.